This is my 80-year-old Logan 200 model metal lathe that weighs about 500 pounds. And we need to get it from the bed of this truck into the shop. It was a lot easier to load it because the guy I bought it from had a tractor. But luckily we have an engine hoist. Now it's going to be going right here in this corner where my old mini lathe and its ginormous table I made are. So I need to get rid of this. Okay, that was a little excessive. I'm going to get all of this cleaned up and we can bring the new Logan in. And just like that, my pride and joy is in its new home. And I gotta say, it looks so damn good. So make sure to follow me if you want to see everything that this bad boy is capable of, along with a couple issues that it does have.